Welcome to Dream Lifestyles channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you have noticed, from all car brands, they are all raining electric cars right now. Which one do you have in mind to buy? Well, it can get quite confusing, but one of the best on the market right now, to my knowledge, is Skoda Enyaq IV80, freshly baked all the way from Czech Republic. Some say underneath this Skoda is basically a Volkswagen ID4 or an Audi e-tron. But Skoda has done their own thing with the design. I have to take it upon myself to give you guys a complete and honest review of this electric SUV. So come with me while we take this car for a spin and review it together. This is a fully electric SUV, and here are the performance details. This particular SUV comes equipped with a 78 kilowatt hour battery pack that powers the electric motor, which will let you go 535 kilometers, and that's in theory anyway. This range is not bad, but if you are the type that flies like me, I bet it will only cover between 300 to 400 kilometers. And of course, it generates 201 horsepower. Not bad for a family car. It has a top speed of 160 km per hour and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 8.5 seconds. For the charging, there are a couple of recharging options in the Enyaq. If you are charging at home on 3 pins, it will take around 40 hours to refill. Please don't do this. Get yourself a wall box, a 7 kilowatt box, and it will recharge you in around 10 hours, which is fine for overnight charging. If you haven't already consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification. Of course, if you like what you see at the end of this review. So let's talk about the exterior design. The Enyaq IV8 features a sleek and modern design with clean lines and distinctive front grille. The car has got quite a muscular and sporty look. Some might associate it with a certain Audi vehicles out there. I mean, they do come from Volkswagen Group anyway, but here you have got a little bit of a flared bonnet, and you have got some nice air duct which sits on the side of the front bumper, feeding the air towards the wheel and giving a little bit more aerodynamic efficiency. The SUV comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, and if you want, you can go as far as putting 21-inch when you are doing the configuration, which will definitely cost more. I love this car, especially how spacious the cabin is. They really did a great work here. I like the material combination, the blend of sort of elegance and sportiness. Look at the dash, very unique. And I think this style of design is part of their selling point. This is a spacious 5-seater SUV with plenty of legroom after adjusting the front seat. The passenger can enjoy enough of legroom and headroom. I love the panoramic sunroof. Both the front seater and the passenger at the back can enjoy the views. Take a look at this dashboard. It's absolutely stunning. Skoda wanted this to look a bit like a high-end living room. This SUV comes with range of advanced technology features, including this 13-inch touchscreen display, which controls the infotainment system and climate control. It also features like voice control and wireless smartphone integration. Other features include a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance. Let's take a look at how generous the boot space is. Having a front trunk, lift the bonnet and all you will find is a bunch of scary looking electrical cables. But it does have a bit bigger boot than most of cars in its class. 585 liters of space, and if this is not enough, you can of course fold the back seats down. The seat is super comfy. I love it. Very soft, warm, with your body attached to it. The car has good visibility, a wide window, no blind spots in the front. Got the camera to support your reversing and parking activities. I love this steering wheel. It's really nice. It even has a heated button. Just press here, then your steering wheel will be super warm. In winter, when the wheel is cold, just put it on and you have a warm steering wheel. And this wheel is super light. It's got a good response so that you don't have to twist and turn until your arms fall off. It's rear wheel drive, by the way, but that doesn't mean it's sporty. But equally, it doesn't embarrass itself when you go through a corner. It also has a very good turning cycle, so it's easy to maneuver this car in and out of car parks. The suspension is so smooth, it just glides over the road in exactly the way you would expect a family car to glide. And you know what? The brakes are actually quite decent as well, even though it uses drum brakes, old school drum brake technology on the rear axle. But it doesn't really matter because it's got an electric motor which also harvests energy and helps to slow you down. There are 3 levels of braking in this car. You pull the pedals behind the steering wheel, and that contributes a little bit of braking force to the car. So you don't really need disc brakes all around. For the safety features, this Enyaq iV80 comes with a range of safety features including front and rear parking sensor, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It comes with 9 airbags including front, side, and curtains airbag. This brings me to the end of this video. Feel free to comment with what you think about this SUV compared to other electric SUVs in the market. We will be very much intrigued to hear your thoughts. If you have enjoyed this video, please press that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and hit that bell notification to see more test drive reviews from the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you all at the next one. Bye for now.